Transform downtime into driving dollars with the ultimate guide to mastering the Bolt Driver app right here in the UK. First things first, let's get you logged in and ready to roll. Once you've downloaded the Bolt Driver app and completed your onboarding, you'll see a prominent Go Online button. Tap this to let Bolt know you're available for rides. When a ride request pops up, you'll see details like the pickup location, estimated fare, and the destination. You have a limited time to accept the ride, so be quick. A simple tap on an accept button will confirm your booking. Once accepted, the app automatically loads a navigation route. Pay attention to the estimated time of arrival and any traffic updates displayed. You can also switch between different navigation providers if you prefer. Understanding fares is key to maximizing your earnings. Bolt clearly breaks down each component of the fare, including the base fare, distance traveled, time taken, and any potential surge pricing that might be active in busy areas. When you arrive at the pickup, confirm the passenger's name displayed in the app. After completing the journey, the app will automatically end the ride and process the payment. You'll see your earnings reflected in the app right away. To boost your earnings, consider driving during peak hours when demand is highest and surge pricing might be in effect. Accepting longer trips can also be more lucrative. Remember, maintaining a high passenger rating is crucial, so always aim for excellent customer service. Explore the app's settings to manage your profile, view your earnings history, and access support if you encounter any issues. Adhering to local UK driving regulations and Bolt's community guidelines ensures a smooth and professional experience for everyone. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to becoming a pro Bolt driver in the UK. Happy driving and happy earnings!